There are so many different flights within the squadron.
Drivers,
supply,
RAF regiment,
aircrew, air traffic control,
flight operations,
chefs,
HR.
engineering.
There's something for everyone, for sure. Like, everyone's experience is different, everyone joins for different reasons, everyone gets something different out of it.
There's a multitude of different people here with very different backgrounds.
I'm a school teacher.
I'm a research scientist.
I'm a lorry driver.
I'm a semi-permanent makeup artist.
I'm a wine buyer.
We've got people from all over the country that come to 606 because of the helicopters.
The key thing that makes the squadron unique is its role in the fact that we are a Royal Air Force Reserve Squadron, but we are the only one that's directly supporting joint helicopter operations.
When RAF Sqn needs support, they know they can call on 606.
You do need all the different trades to actually work as one.
From time to time there'll be opportunities to mobilise.
I've been to a number of places I wouldn't have been to.
And you get opportunities to go to different countries.
Everyone respects you. If you can do the job, you can do the job.
We all check on each other, we all work together, we all make sure that everyone's okay.
The people here at 606 are fantastic.
It's a family at the end of the day.
Honestly, it's one of the best things you can do.
Joining the reserves gives you a completely different outlook on life.
You know, I would encourage anyone to definitely consider joining.
I'd actually probably say it's better even than I anticipated.